Exclucity coming to you with another unboxing video. We got the Puma Suede for you guys, which is part of the 50th anniversary celebration of the Suedes. They're releasing a bunch of shoes in that Suede, with your classic Puma Suedes, but with different collaborations with different type of artists and brands, which is for the celebration of the 50th anniversary of the shoe. So they brought back like this OG box, and you could see this is the Diamond Supply colorway of their shoe, so I had to bring them out for you guys. So they brought back the classic box for you guys. And first of all, you got the paper, as you can see, that says Puma along with the Diamond Supply logo, which is a nice little addition to the shoe. And as you can see, the sneaker right here is your classic Suede, but with that little classic Tiffany hit on the side in that croc skin like material, which is pretty much your classic Tiffany colors on a sneaker. So Diamond Supply is known for that Tiffany and black color combination, and I'm sure you guys are familiar with this color, especially with shoes like the SB Dunks, some Asics that they did in the past. But yeah, so they kept everything to that DNA, just like how Staple does that gray and orange, that pigeon colorway that's known for their brand. Diamond Supply is sticking to the same color combination for this. Uses some classic materials like a suede upper. Like I said, there's some croc on the side, some other details that we're going to get to in a little bit. So let's take a look at the outsole of the shoe. You got your classic outsole, as you can see, in that off-white material, off-white colorway. Same concept with the midsole, same Puma Suede midsole. The upper part of the shoe is a full suede upper. You do have some full croc skin on the Puma's logo on the side right there. You got a silver Puma Suede logo as well, debossed into the shoe right there. On the back of the sneaker, you do have your little diamond in the on the heel of the shoe, which is a nice little hit. And then the shoes come with your flat laces in black, obviously, with an alternate pair in that Tiffany, and then your Puma and Diamond Supply logo at the top right there to finish it off. You do have your little Puma and Diamond logo on the insole, along with a leather lining right around the ankle part of the shoe. That's pretty much it for this sneaker. Let's look at what these shoes look like on feet. Alright guys, so this is what the Diamond Supply Co. and Puma Suedes look like on feet for the 50th anniversary of the Puma Suedes. You guys are very familiar with this colorway. Diamond has done a bunch of collabs with a bunch of other brands, and they use the same iconic color combination, and then they finally decided to do a Suede from Puma with the same color combination. Let me know what you guys think. The material use are here is pretty dope. I really like the Suede on here, which is really nice, and then obviously the full croc on that Tiffany is pretty dope too. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to always subscribe to our channel, hit us with a thumbs up or a comment below. Don't forget to hit the bell so that you keep in touch with all of our latest videos. And that's pretty much it, man. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.